Good harrying work from the Bosnians, not giving Spain quite as much time on the ball. Maybe something that was addressed during the half-time interval. Of course, as I mentioned in the first half, Spain are getting so much room in midfield. Really could just split the Bosnians open with any pass. They've got a decent chance on here, and Negredo makes it 3. Intricate play into the box from Spain. And surely now, that's 3 points here tonight, 30 in total. Early in the second half, of course, but really now, Spain cruising towards victory. Alvaro Negredo, the Sevilla frontman. It was Iniesta who created it. Unselfish play in the centre from David Silva. And a clever finish in the centre, left-footed from Negredo. On the spin as well. No chance in goal for Nemanja Supic. Well, 3-0, not the result that Bosnia and Herzegovina were looking for on home turf. It really is looking very ominous for them now, indeed. Well, the floodgates open now. Spain, of course, certainly capable. They've still got players on the bench in abundance who could cause the Bosnians problems, not least Fernando Torres. Santiago Cazorla on the bench as well. It's Dzeko. All into the centre, looking for a piece of it. Almost clawed that one out of the skies, but in the end wins a corner out of it. Bosnia's formidable home record here, blasted into tatters really by the Spanish, who've just taken their chances. That's really the only way you can sum this game up so far. Bosnia haven't by any means played poorly. They've just been undone at the back. Plenty of attacking play from the men in blue. Garnish losing possession again. A little bit too tricky from him once more.